I'm interested in FICO.
Okay.
So
Because
that's
you
what,
want you want more as a techno function.
Yeah, that's right.
Okay.
I'm not sure whether I can do it or not. So that's where you can guide me.
Sure, sir. Sure, Chaitanya. Okay. And next.
Lahari is also a BAP, right? Lahari?
Yes, Chaitanya is a app.
Oh, yeah. Lahari.
And Lahari,
Okay.
about yourself?
Okay, so maybe I think we can go ahead to Manoj.
Manoj, about
Just
yourself?
brief.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this is Lahari.
Yes, sir.
Lahari, please.
Your education?
Yeah, you mean my work experience?
Yes, and your education background.
Yeah, I studied in this electronics and communication engineering, and now I am working as a SAP uh, technical support in functional based on functional, and I need to learn FICO deeply, so I joined.
Okay. So you're working as a technical support.
Yes.
Okay, in which module, like?
You know this BYD by design, right? Public cloud.
Okay.
Yeah, in that time working as a finance support.
Okay, got it.
Mm.
Okay, and next.
Hi, everyone. Now, myself, Manoj. I'm having overall 3.5 experience in SAP FI consultant. So, mostly, I just want to learn the CO module.
Okay, Manoj. And do you have any idea about S4 now? S4 system?
Yes. I'm working on S4 system, S4 HANA system.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah.
Okay, next.
Nadish, you can just brief about yourself, just brief.
And Nad? NAD?
His name is Nadish, actually.
No, okay. Yes, Nadish.
Okay, so maybe you can go ahead with next. Prasanna, you can just tell about just. You say it's from Joe. Yeah, you can just go ahead.
Yeah, myself Prasanna. Currently, I'm working in LTM Mindtree as a cloud support engineer, and I wanted to learn SAP, so that's why I joined this class. So I have experience in Microsoft Azure and Windows Server, and some have experience, knowledge on SQL and Python.
Okay, and Vivo?
Sorry?
Next one. Vivo, I think so.
Okay. Hello, sir.
Yes.
So myself, Amruta. I'm from Karnataka. Hello?
Yes,
Yes,
Amruta,
Amruta.
we can hear you.
Yeah. Hello?
Yes, Amruta.
Yes, sir. I'm from Amruta. Sorry, sir. So my name is Amruta. I'm from Karnataka.
Okay.
And I studied BCom and passed out last year in 2025. And right now I'm working in Reliance in retail sector.
Okay.
I have no idea about this, but I want to learn something new. So I joined this group.
So Amrita is for last 2-3 months actually. I mean, she's waiting to join into the SAP FICO. She reached to me
Sure.
because
Okay.
my background is finance and she is very much interested to get into the SAP finance model.
Okay, Manish. Thank you. Update. Okay, fine. I think everyone is done now. Okay, fine, guys. Let me share my system.
Right, Ravi, just one question before we begin. As I said, I think most of us are technical people. So is it as advisable that uh, can we understand FICO and take it as a career?
Yes, you can understand Chaitanya
Uh-huh.
because you're familiar with the system, SAP systems. Okay.
That's right.
Yeah, but yes, you can. It's a advantage for you can go to work as a technical functional techno-functional consultant also.
Yeah, right.
Okay. I will explain that what is the process, everything. I will go with it briefly. Okay.
All right.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you, Chaitanya. Okay, guys. Okay, are you able to see my screen, guys? So
Yes, right. We
yeah.
can see.
Yes, a few people are familiar with this one introduction part, but someone who's a freshers, who's not into SAP, so they can go with this one. Okay, as we know that SAP, it is one of the largest company, and it is a ERP software company, and it is a okay. So what is SAP? And before that, before going to SAP, I would like to tell you one thing, guys. Please don't pronounce SAP. Okay, please don't pronounce as SAP. What is the meaning? What is SAP? What is called? So we are here something. Can you people should pronounce this one and also this one? Can you guys people pronounce this one? Two things, words.
SAP, right?
No, no, no. This one and this one. Below to this. IBM and Wipro. Can you pronounce anyone? What is the reason why we are pronouncing is IBM and Wipro? What is the reason? We are giving a spelling right here. IBM. We are not calling it as IBM something. But Wipro, we are calling it Wipro with a name. So what is the reason behind this? So it has its full form.
IBM is an acronym. Yeah.
It has its own full form. Okay.
Right.
But Wipro doesn't have any full form. Okay. I stands for integrated, B stands for business, M stands for management. Integrated business management. Wipro, W, it don't have any full form word. So that's why we're calling Wipro as a Wipro. This is a separate IBM. Similarly, SAP, it has a full form. Okay, there's an abbreviation. So that's why we're calling as a SAP. So those who has abbreviation words, we can calling them as a SAP or something with the names. Okay. So SAP stands for system, application,
Applications,
product, and
product in data processing.
data processing. So what is the meaning? What is system? What is application? What is a product? System, nothing but we know that it's any electrical device, right? Laptop, or we can say computers. This all comes under systems, right? And what is application?
It's a tool.
Sorry?
It's a tool.
Okay, you say it is a tool. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, and what is a product? So before going to product, so what is the difference between software and product? So what is the difference between software and product? So software, it is used for only for company purpose, or his own company, which is used for his own company purpose. His own company purpose. For example, I have my company, and for my company purpose, I developed a software, so which is used for me only. It's not for others. Okay. Okay, this is registered for only my company purpose, a software. Just assume it is a software. This for my company purpose. So then we can calling as it is software. But the same software used for multiple companies. The same A software is used for multiple company, then it will become as a product. Okay, then it will become as a product, not the software. If it is used for only for company purpose, one company, then it will become a software. But it is using for multiple companies, then it will become as a product. So SAP, it is one of the product. It is not for only for SAP labs. Okay, it is used for different of companies, MS, different multi-level companies are using SAP. So then SAP, it is one of the product. So we know that what is a system, we know that what is a product, and what is the application. Okay. And guys, we know that languages and applications. So what is the meaning? So languages, like we know that Java, .NET, Python, right? These are comes under languages. I think BTech people, they will understand, they will know about this one. So with the help of these languages, the people are developing a software. Okay, they're developing a software. And for example, just assume take a business process. Just business process of manufacturing company.
Ravi, just one point. You are showing anything other than the Word file, because we see only the Word file. Are you showing anything in the PPT, something like that?
No, I'm
Slide?
showing. No, I'm showing the Word files. I'm typing and I'm
Only Word
showing.
file only.
Yes, Word file.
You are typing, we are not able to see. Are you typing anything?
Yes, I'm typing here.
No, we are not seeing that.
Okay, just a moment. Let me share my screen.
We are seeing only MS Word.
Okay. Now, Mahesh, is it clear?
Yeah, yet to come. Just 1 second. It's showing that you started. Yes, we can see. Now you are.
Okay.
What you were typing. Yes.
Yeah.
Please
So
go ahead.
just assume a business process of manufacturing company. So what is a business process? So once when you're learning SAP, when you are practicing SAP, first you should be familiar with business process of the company. So what is the business of manufacturing? So what they're doing there? They're manufacturing a product and selling the product. Okay, this is a business process, manufacturing a product and selling the product. So this is the complete business process of the company. There is a manufacturing company. So what are the roles are involved here? So what are the roles? What are the departments are involved here? So for manufacturing product, we need the raw material. So we need the raw material. So raw material is purchased by the procurement team. Okay, in SAP, we are calling as a material management team, or non-SAP procurement team or purchasing team. They purchase the raw material. So once the raw material is purchased, so material is coming to our factory. So we're calling as a warehouse. So warehouse is also calling as a godown. Okay. So before coming to the warehouse, so there will be the quality check. There will be a quality check. So because when you're purchasing, just I take example, when you're purchasing a mobile, so without checking the quality, will you pay the amount to get it to your home? Not right. We are checking the quality, mobile is running perfectly or not. Camera is working or not. First of all, we are checking the quality of the mobile. Similarly, when material is coming to our godown, we have to check quality. What is the material and how much quantity we received. So this is a cross-checking with invoice. Okay, what are the invoice we have received? So we are cross-checking with the invoice, what is the material we have received, what is the quantity, everything. So once quality check team is approved, then material moving to the godown. Right? First, then material is godown moved, then production team will be start. Production team start converting raw material to finished product. Okay. So once the finished product is done, again, quality check will be there. Again, quality check, because we are selling the product to the customer. So before selling the product, we have to check the quality of the finished product. So once these people approve, then the product will be sales. So once it's done, then here accounts receivable team will be here. Accounts receivable team. These people, they collect the payment from the customer. So once it's done, HR will be here. So pay the salaries to all the departments. Okay, this is the business process of manufacturing company. So in this year, for every department, procurement department, these people are using separate software. Okay, purchasing software, they're using separate software. Quality team, they're using separate software. Warehouse management, they're using separate software. Just assume every department using separate software to enter the work. So if you want, if I am a purchase department, otherwise I'm in sales department. Now I want to know, I got a sales order of, I got a sales order of 100 quantity. They want 100 computers. Just assume they want 100 computers. So I am in sales department. Now what I will do, I am calling to my warehouse team. Okay, I'm checking with them how much product, how many computers are available in the warehouse. So these people will take the time and they will updating to me a couple of hours. So then I'm calling to the customer, I'm updating to that. So it is a waste of time, right? It's a waste of time. So what we are doing, we need a system. We need a system. It should be just centralized center system. We need a system. It is a centralized systems. All the data will be available here. So whatever the procurement team, whatever they purchased, the data will be available. They entered in this database. Sales also, and whatever the stock is available in the warehouse, every can see the authorized to see in the database. Okay, we need a centralized system for this, for every department, for every software. So this is called every software in SAP, we are calling it applications. So where quality check. So quality check for this we are using for QM module. Okay, warehouse. So we are using WM warehouse management, and we are now currently we are using with EWM. Production, we are using PP, production planning. So quality check also QM module. So this all comes in applications. Okay, this all comes in non-SAP terminology. This all comes under applications, but in SAP we are calling as a modules. This is called SD module, and this is called FI modules. Guys, any doubts up to here? Any confusions?
No, no, Ravi. Thank you.
Yes. So first of all, starting the SAP, if you want to learn SAP, then first you have to understand what is the business process of manufacturing companies. Then only it is easy to you practice also and easy to you convert as a project. So until you don't know the business process, it's difficult to you do the practice and everything. Okay. So this all comes under SAP is the modules, and for non-SAP it is applications. Okay, so everything is available in the SAP. So this is the reason SAP is applications. SAP calls it one of the application. And we know the data processing. So non-SAP terminology. So we know that systems understand binary language. Okay, system understand the binary language. So it is converting binary language to SAP, our languages. So it comes at a data processing. So this is the full form of SAP. And it is one of the ERP package. It is one of the ERP package. So what is the ERP? So E stands for enterprise, R stands for resource, P stands for planning. So what is an enterprise? Enterprise is nothing but any business or organization or entity. Any business, anything we call it as enterprises. So what is our resources? Resources is simply we call it as a 4 M's. So what are the 4 M's? Money, men, material, marketing. Okay, these all comes as 4 M's. And what is a planning? So for example, when you want to start a business, so what do you think? If you want to start a business, what do you require? We require the money. Okay, you have the money. Next, what do you have to do with the money? You are invested in amount in the business. But what is the purpose? So we need one product, right? So that comes under material. So you have the business, you have the material, you have the money, and for to marketing. So how to get the profit? You have to supposed to do the marketing of the product. So marketing. And who do the marketing? Marketing is done by the men's. So research is nothing but, and planning is nothing but how to utilize the 4 M's into your business. You have to do the planning. Okay, then only you will get the profit. Without the planning, it's not. Right? Without a planning, we don't know how to utilize these 4 M's. Then we obviously get the loss. So planning is nothing but that one. Okay, fine. You have the planning. Then again you got the loss. Then how can you rectify this one? Where you find it, where you got the loss? You have the perfect plan. Okay, everything is done, but you got the loss. So in this case, so every day we are recording our transactions. Every day we are recording our transactions. So what is a transactions? Recording transactions? Transaction nothing but, so whatever you're doing the business every day, what's happening? Whether you purchase, your sale, you do the payment, anything is recorded into the books previously. Now we are entering to the systems. Okay, previous olden days, we are recording to the books, accounting books. now we are maintaining the systems. So what are the systems? The systems which provide you financial statement. Financial statement of your business. So what is a financial statement? Whether you get a profit or loss, and balance sheet. Okay, those softwares. Okay, those systems nothing but softwares. Just I'm writing systems nothing but software. Those systems which you provide the financial statement of your company. That's a profit and loss and balance sheet. Those systems we're calling as a ERP systems. Okay, what are the systems? Is that Tally or Oracle Financial, Microdynamics, or SAP? These all systems provide the company financial statements. So that's why these systems calling as we are calling as ERP systems. Okay, ERP systems nothing but the software provide the financial statement. Okay, any doubts here? Clear, guys? Any doubts up to here?
Any questions, anyone?
No.
Okay, thank you.
No, sir.
Fine. We know that SAP, it is divided into two categories. So what are the things? One is technical, functional. So what are the technical? ABAP and basis. This comes as the technical modules. And functional comes under FI, CO, MM, SD. So whatever the business process we seen here, this all comes under functional modules. SD, PP, PM, QM, so WM or EWM you can say, HR or HCM. So this all comes under functional modules. FICO is not a one module. FICO is a two modules. Okay. And what these people do? So what is a technical? What is a functionals? So this functional team we are interacting to the customers. Customers nothing but clients. And we get the information. For example, just assume Reliance company. Reliance company want to implement Yvonne's SAP system. SAP system. They want SAP systems. Okay. Now these people will interacting to one of our business development manager. So the BDM team, business development team, they will interact with the Reliance company, and these people given the advantages, what is SAP and everything. And Reliance company, he wants more information on that. Okay. And so sometime about one of our project managers, when people is went to the along with BDM, is interact with Reliance company and given the explanation, everything done. So after some day, we have the meeting, all the functional modules. So all the functional modules, we have the meeting with the client side. There's a direct meeting. So we are getting the information, functional modules. We are connecting to the business users. Okay, business users is nothing but accountants. Like is a account manager is taking the all the account is adding to the all the accounting team. So we are FI team, we are directly connecting the business to the accounting manager. We are getting the information from them. So what should be implemented in the SAP? Okay, similarly, all the modules, all the teams will integrate the business users. Okay, and we are doing the configuration as per the client requirement. All these functional models, we are doing the configuration on SAP Reliance company SAP systems. Okay, as per the business users requirements. But what these two people do? ABAP and BASIS. So BASIS team, they give the authorizations to us. Okay, FI team should not enter into the MM area. MM team should not enter the FI area. So these authorizations is taken by the BASIS team and ABAP team. So what these people do? So for example, customer is asking to me, Ravi, I want an invoice. Ravi, I want an invoice. Left side, I want my company logo. Okay, and header part should be some header part with the company information. Header part with company information, everything. So logo, it is not possible in SAP. Everything possible, we can do this one, but header information something and logo, it is not possible in SAP. As a functional consultant, we can't do. It's not possible. Then how? But client is required, is want logo, but functional we can't do that one. It's not automatically there. So we are taking help from the ABAP team. So we are getting the help from the ABAP team, and ABAP team, we have to provide what the information they required. So we have to provide that one. Then ABAP team, these people develop the program. Okay, the program will be the Z or Y program they will develop, and this program we are attaching to the particular area. Okay, so these people will helping to the functional modules members. Okay, these are technical. These people comes under technical modules. These people comes under functional modules. Okay, guys, any doubts? So and
No.
there is okay. There is a one more call. Now we are calling it techno-functional. Okay, techno-functional consultants. So the person who has, I say, experience, knowledge with ABAP, any ABAP with the function modules, then the person will call them techno-functional consultants. Okay. Experience with ABAP along with the function modules. So if you are going for FSCO consultant, if you have good experience on ABAP, then you can become as a techno-functional consultants. Okay. And any doubts, guys? Okay. So now coming to SAP FICO, FICO is divided into two parts. One is FI, one is a CO. FI using for internal reporting purpose. FI using for internal reporting purpose. CO using for external. Sorry.
FI is external.
Yes. FI is external reporting purpose. CO stands for internal reporting purpose. So what is external? What is internal? So external reporting nothing but at end of the financial year, every company is releasing their profit and loss. Profit and loss and balance sheet to the shareholders. Balance sheet information releasing there to the shareholders. Okay, that's why we are calling it it's external reporting purpose. So what is internal reporting? So as a company CEO, okay, you wants to know what is happening in your company. So what is happening in the manufacturing department, factory? So you want to know, right? So in the CO, we are integrated to the all other modules like So in FI area, we are getting the information from MM to FI, because once you purchase any material, FI team has to pay, right? Similarly, when you sold any product, sales, FI team has to collect the amount. So we are getting the information from here. But what about other departments? You want to know, right? So production planning, PPV modules, and PM modules, then warehouse EWM, or we can say various modules. Okay, and other modules we are integrated with the CVs. So with the help of the cost center, profit center, activity types, internal orders. So with the help of the 4 submodules, we are getting the information from other departments. Okay. So with the help of this one, we are getting the reports from other departments. So it's an internal reporting purpose. So once we done this one, we are going to that. What is the happening in the business? Everything. So CO stands for internal reporting purpose. So what are the topics we covered in SAP FI? Here we are doing the general ledgers, GL. So accounts payable, accounts receivable, asset accounting. Okay. So these are 4 modules. These are submodules in FI. Okay. These are the submodules in the controlling area: cost centers, profit center, activity types, internal orders, product cost, and COPA. Okay. So activity types? Cost center is nothing but departments. Profit center also where the sales and where you're getting the profits. Activity types, how many hours the machineries is working. So with the help of this activity types, we can do that. And internal orders, we can get it. Product cost. So product cost, nothing but, for example, okay, bike, just assume a bike cost, just assume 80,000 rupees. Okay, a bike cost is 80,000 rupees. It is a finished product, right? The finished goods, the bike is cost is 80,000. How the company is given the rate bill? How the company decide this MRP? Okay, based on expenses. So what are the expenses? So raw material price. Before that, raw material price of bike. So what are the raw materials? Tires, tubes, engines. This all comes under raw materials. Electrical charges, storage location charges. So storage location, but we can say warehouse. Okay, labor charges. So these all are included. These all expenses are included. Then only you will fix a price. Okay, so this is called as a cost of COGS, goods sold. So it will be in the product cost. Okay, this all comes under controlling area. This comes under financial FI area. Okay, these are topics I'm going to cover in SAP FI. Then I know what is the difference. Okay. And versions. So SAP started with R1 version. Then R2. Similarly, they're expanding. They're coming with after that ECC. Now we are in S4 systems, S4 HANA systems. So in the R1 versions, they have the only one system which is using for development purpose. It is a development purpose. So this is the database will be the mainframe database, some AS400, AS400 database. So these people are at the time they depended with the other database in R1 versions. Then they move to R2. So database is the other one. So here we they do quality and production systems. Quality and development will be one system. And production is the customer systems. This is going to the customers, production systems. In ECC, here will be the 3 servers. That is the development, quality, and production. So in the development system, we are doing the configurations. In quality system, we are testing. And production system, the data from moving from development to production. And this is, we don't have authorization to work in the production systems. It is done by the end users, client using these production systems. And S4HANA. So in the SAP system, SAP, both are same. Screens, interface, everything same. But there is a small difference. There's a few differences comparing with ECC and S4HANA. So what are the changes? So let me show in the SAP system what will be the changes between ECC and S4HANA. So guys, this is the SAP S4HANA system. Okay, this is the EC system. Okay, this is the EC system. And okay, this is the one of the S4 system. So this is the end user area, guys. So here we don't have access the configuration here. We are not doing any configuration. Accountants, end users team, they are working on this screen. But we are SAP consultants. So we are going to the SPRO consultant area. Okay, SAP reference IMG, it is called implementation guide. Here we are doing the configurations. So in EC 6.0, you see two things, financial accounting and financial accounting new. So what is the difference? In SAP 4.7, previously we have the 4.7 version. Four point seven, we don't have new GL concept. New GLs means what is a new GLs? There's a leading ledgers, few topics, parallel currency, okay, and document splitting. Okay, this all and this all comes under. So this option we don't have in 4.7, but these options we got in 6.0. Okay, so what is the leading ledgers? What is the parallel? We can see in the further classes. But you can see here directly, there is a two financial accounting here. Here this is older version 4.7, financial accounting. This is comes under EC 6.0. Okay, these are EC systems. But in SAP EC S/4HANA systems, we don't have the two things. We have only one financial accounting. Okay, we have only one financial accounting. In that, we are doing every configurations. And here, so let me show some configuration. So this is the interfaces. So here first in definition, here there is a 20 steps. So in ECC, we have 20 steps. To post a document. Post a document in GL. But in SAP S/4HANA, S4 systems, we have to configure 20 steps along with new GL concept, controlling area we have to configure. So once you've done this thing, then system will have to post the document. So this is the difference. Here there is no, in ECC, just 20 steps enough to post the document. But in S/4HANA, it's not we required to configure 20 steps along with the neutral concept leading that you have to create controlling area. So these are the differences. Okay, we can see one by one in the classes, further classes. What is the difference? Everything. So, any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay. So can we continue next session? Any doubts, guys? Anything you want to ask me?
So the contents we have projected, right, Ravi, already? Course contents,
Yes.
already we have projected.
Already topics have been covered, sir. What are the modules we are in the SAP FSO? It is covered here.
Okay.
Okay, guys. Then we can
So,
yes, Mahesh.
Ravi, anything else, Ravi, you want to tell?
Yeah, that's what I'm asking. Any questions?
I mean, from otherwise, from
Nothing,
our
nothing
side,
from my end. Ravi. Thank you.
Yes.
Yeah, any doubts about this module? Anyone?
No, sir, there is none.
Right. So as Ravi already said, right. So this module, all finance related activities will be done in an organization using this SAP module. All finance related activities in an organization, if they want to maintain with SAP, finance module is mandatory. And if you take a typical any SAP project, base models are SD, sales and distribution, finance, materials management, of course, ABAP, because ABAP is the programming language for the SAP for all the applications, whatever you see in the SAP, backend is ABAP code only. So the opportunity point of view is it is a lot of scope in the SAP finance module. No? So who will be better is either someone is having the background of the finance or like Chaitanya, who is having a lot of experience in ABAP. So you might have done a lot of ABAP tasks related to the FI module. So for them also, this is very easy to understood this module. A lot of demand, no doubt about it. Slightly to understood this terminology, maybe initially maybe will struggle to understood this finance terminology without a finance background. But otherwise, I think this is once we understood, very interesting. Critical model. Because you know, right, all finance is critical.
Financial, if is a critical, Mahesh, but while understanding, it's easy. So once you have to understand business process, if you know the business process, it is easy to do that.
Correct.
Yes.
See, all this learning of the SAP models is once we try to learn the subject based on the business understanding and the data flow, how it goes. So it will be very easy to do the best in this module, not only the finance model, any SAP module. So provided we put a lot of efforts to practice, basically. Theoretically, it's not, we cannot understood much. So once we do the hands-on practically, then it will be easy to get the concepts, not only while learning. Of course, the concepts, once you have the concepts, so you can do the best in the, as a consultant, where you work with the end users on regular basis and with the ABAP people as a SAP FICO functional consultant role. The role of the functional consultant is you will be interacting with the business people and ABAP technical people. So you don't need any coding. If you know the basic coding is very good. And effect of the AI and all, comparatively the ABAP technology coding point of view, very less impact on these models, SAP functional models, because these models require a lot of interaction with the business people, understanding, a lot of business analysis required. Hence, there is very less impact of the AI tools, the roles, opportunities point of view. Okay, so as I said already, right? So we'll give 3 months server access. So the duration will be 40 to 50 hours. Okay, so the timings will be based on all of your availability and Ravi availability. The timing, say the morning or evening. So because it is online, we can plan accordingly and then we can move on. So I can give the training certificate, and as well as if you want the intern certificate, I can give the internship certificate as well. And whatever the opportunities coming across to me through my WhatsApp community and whatever the network that I'm building, so definitely I'll give that opportunity. We'll give the opportunity to the people who has been trained with us through our contacts.
May I know the fee structure for this course, sir?
That nothing. You ping me. I'll talk to you. I'll talk to you.
Sure, sir.
You have my number, right?
And guys, I know I want to tell you one thing. So by the practicing, so this is the pattern which I'm going to tell you, 1 to 20 steps. It is using to the post a document. Okay, I will show that how to post a document. Okay, now your practice should be first do 1 to 20 steps. Okay, then come down to reversal posting. Okay, from last do first 20. Then here you are getting some errors. Okay, you are getting some errors here in this area everywhere. So until you success, then you'll find the different of errors, then only you will learn the subject. Okay, don't do this one, 1 to 20. First, do 1 to 20 steps. then do second time without seeing. Third is pattern, come to the reversal posting, reversal, last to first. So you'll see different of errors, tickets. Okay, it is used for you when you're going for interview. Okay, this is the one. This is the practice method for me. So I'm referring to my students, do like this one.
See, also one more the opportunity point of view. So if you are really, I mean, join with us this FI model, you can join on my ongoing ABAP modules. So I don't charge anything. So 2-3 batches will be there. I'm parallel running my ABAP batches. So you can join any of the batches because it's good if you know at least some ABAP, basic ABAP. Even then, maybe you are not much interested in the programming side. So it will be good if you know the ABAP. For that, I don't charge.
All right, Ravi, we'll keep that in mind. Your 1 to 20 steps, and we'll try
Yes.
to follow it.
Yes, because you're getting different of errors here. So once you solve them, it's useful for your real time also.
Okay.
Yes. So not only in FI, everywhere is same process. I follow this one.
Right. So, Ravi, just one question. Would you be, waiting for us to, perform this, or every day you're just going to give us some inputs and then you want us to practice and can then come back with doubts?
Yes. So
I mean,
way of the
live, are we going to, do the hands-on?
practice.
Yeah.
So no, because every day, first I will teach you, give us some topics to you. I will teach you something. I will explain some process. So
Okay.
once it's done, next day session for 5 or 10 minutes for door sessions.
Okay.
Okay, I will give 5 to 10 minutes, your doors clarification. Then I will continue.
Okay. Okay.
Yes.
All right.
So, but you guys, you have to do practice until only we'll get the doubts. So without the practice, it's a waste of time. Simple, I say that.
That's right. I agree with you.
Chaitanya is also the trainer. Okay, Chaitanya is also my co-trainer.
Yeah.
Back.
Oh, okay.
He is my colleague. He is my colleague.
Okay. Abhay Praj Chaitanya.
Yes.
So he is also the trainer.
Okay.
Okay, yeah. So the final, I mean, the message is the more we practice, you practice, the more the class also will be interesting.
Yes, sir. Yes,
So that's
Mahesh.
why we'll plan class alternate days only, not every day. Okay, so that you'll get a time to practice and then move on.
Okay.
Okay. Any other questions? 2 minutes.
Okay, fine. Will you help solve any tickets if I have any doubts?
No, nothing. You were asking something about the doubts,
Yes, sir. In the
right?
yes, sir. Yes.
Generally, I will create a group with the class students. WhatsApp separate.
Oh, okay.
So you can post there the questions.
And
See,
guys,
even there is no restriction to post in my main group also because you are also there in my WhatsApp community, the main group, right? Even
Yes.
there
Yes,
also
sir.
anyone can post. I'm not restricting any questions to ask. You are
Okay,
feel free
okay.
to post. We have the FI module as well, group, separate group, and in the main group as well.
Uh, all right.
It is free, completely easy. I mean, open those groups what I created. Anyone can post any doubts if they come across in the SAP. Okay, thanks. I think we'll wind up. So if anything is there, you reach to me.
Sure.
Okay, so all of you are having my number, right? Okay, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, please. Thanks.
Thank
Thanks,
you.
Ravi.
Yeah, thanks guys.
Thank
Thank
you.
Mahesh.
Thanks, Ravi.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you.